Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing. This is 5,370 square meters. It's a clean title located in Barangay Ilihan, Sur, Tubigon, Bohol. So the property is approximately 6.5 kilometers from town proper of Tubigon. Then it has so many improvements like banana trees, coconut trees, mahogany trees, gemelina, or even bamboo trees. Then there are also neighborhoods. Daghan jog silingan guys. There are so many neighborhoods. And there are two houses, no? The one kini siya. Then the other one is kuan pod. Maayo pa po yan, but they have already notified by the owner. So this one is not included, no? This house is not part of the property. And this is the road going to the barangay road. So as for me, dili pa gid na siya official, not official road, but people are using on this road going to this main road, which is the barangay road. Then there is also another road on the other side where the property is already along the road. So suma total guys, it has two roads of this property. The other is unofficial and the other one is official.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
Officially.
Home point
Official
updated.
Na, klaro na yun. Registered na. So this is the entrance, no, going to the property on the other side, no. And this road is already where I say official, no, because the other side of the property is part or is already along the road. So you can contact me at WhatsApp, no. So again, no, the property is good for farming. You can have your residential and farming, convert this into farming. So 500 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So this is this portion is part of the road, is along the road. So as you can see, there is already an official road. So
Max flight distance reached.
no problem na good guys. Then the property has so many, again, may improvements like coconut trees. Nasa mga lubi, kasagingan. So actually, if you can clean it up, no, imo ni limpyuhan yun, maayo ra yun. Yung imong putlo ng lubi,
Max flight distance reached.
if you are going to cut all the trees, you can see the beauty of the property. Makita na gyud nimo nga nindot gyud ang property. So this is the neighborhood, no. Ganahan sa kas mga silingan makigtabi, no. If you are friendly, no. So you can talk with them, no. Na diha magtapok-tapok na diha mga kita na ko. So regarding the signal guys, actually hinay og signal diri. Wag nakita nako is globe na pero hinay, slow signal. But the people are using kuan guys, Wi-Fi. There is a Wi-Fi landline in the area. So mao na nga kusog lang gyapon. So you can choose, no. Either you put a kuan kanang na may usoron ka na gitawag og repeater. So this is the kuan above portion of the property kay ato man drone. We are using drone. So that coconut trees is included already at the property. Imagine this is so that house is included, the one, no. Kita man nato. But they are already notified, no. The one with kuan nindot sad makita gyud nato guys, no. See? So again, there are neighborhoods. No? Daghan jud kag silingan di kalaayon dire guys. Ganahan jud ka magkuan dire. Pero dili ka ganahan og silingan aw pwede di lang ka masuroy. Di lang ka maato nila. So actually you can have your own farming, no. Water, so what you problema mag tubig guys. There is a water line connection in the area. So landing sa ta. So ato sang ipalanding atong drone diri napita nga side. So kana siya guys. It's like kuan na diri napita murag merkado na diyan napita kanang ana may tricycle. Daghan ng tao diri gud. Pero nindot noon, di kay problema. Kana may tricycle. That is the start of the property, no? Kana. This one is the boundary. Ilan naman nagimo-imoan og they make it into a small road, no? But not official. Again, not official. Dili gid na official nga road. Road ra gyud na guys. So kini mga kasagingan guys, no? It's boundary ni siya uban. Then there is a mango trees naman is part of the property. Remember guys, this is 5,370 dako yun. So lapok yun, no? Pero imo gini i-clean up, no? Gwapo man siya. Imo lang i-plastada ba? Then I have already have the copy of the title and the sketch plan. So makita na gyud nato, no, ang pormasyon ta diri. See. Daghang tanom. Nindot yun guys. Then again, Tubigon is just only 40 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. From Panglao Airport, let's say 1 hour and a half or 1 hour and 20 minutes. So ana ra siya guys. From the White Sand Beaches, just only 15 minutes drive, no? You can have already the White Sand Beaches or 20 minutes. So this house is included of the property. But again, they are already notified by the owner because they are going to sell the property. Then the owners lang guys because their parents already died, no? Nangamatay na. Then now the children are selling on this property. So mga anak na now living in there are who lives in Leyte because they are from Leyte province. Then next, they are also one of the year is living in US, as United States of America. So di naman po nila mabahin. So they are going to just share the profit of the property. Bahinon lang nila ang kwarta. So nindot. Then from National Highway guys is just only 2.4 kilometers. 2 ka oras o 4,000. Mao gyud ako gisukod sa sakyanan. So mao na siya guys. So as you can see guys, no, the property has so many grass. Wa giatiman honestly. Walang po siguro magatiman ning nagbantay diha. They are not kuan.
Take off. Home points
because
updated.
they know already that this property is for sale. Wala lang yun nagatiman ng mga nagpuyo diha guys. They understand. So that is why no, if you can trim or unsa ba, imo ba ning i-trim ning mga kuana kahoya, or you will just cut all the trees to see the property lines, no, mga boundaries. So pero mas nindot sa mobilin sa kag lubi kay lami man sa nang butong. So surrounded by kuan guys, no, in the drone video there are so many trees and there are mountains, which I noticed that it can be kuan during night time, it's cool, bugnaw siya. So okay ra gid kayo, no. Now again, Tubigon is a first class municipality of Bohol, west part of Bohol, that has so many improvements like shopping malls, church, simbahan, hospital,
Max altitude reached.
sa may kulang diha, no, banks, hotels. So there are so many, no. Nindot yun guys, mapalit ni mo ni guys. Wala lang yun sila maka-analyze ba. Okay, if I have the funds to buy this property, I will buy this property. I will just negotiate. Actually, the price is 500 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So it's still negotiable. So you can see, no, above, no, there are houses yun, no. Murag naa gyud si Marites yan lapita. So again, kita man ako guys, no, there are people, no, around the area, no. So pero the good thing is the property is inside, wala ra gyud pugkan. Ikaw mo apil kas ko kabildo dito kay rasad, no. But if you are just focused on farming or whatever you do in the area, pwede sa kadiri guys, makapigiri kagamay, no. You can have your small piggery pin, dili sa sigo industrial, okay ra gyud pang piggery. Imo lagi ning you need to landscape or whatever you do in the area, nga makuan ma-appreciate nimo imong plano. Ay pwede gyud ka magbuhat og mga balay like kubo, then i-rent out. Then for example, paabangan nimo ba, you make a small house, then you can rent out, pwede nimo paabangan. Kay because Tubigon is a center, like a center, or the main port, like a main port, naagi diri. Actually in Tubigon man gud guys, naapog ko diri sa Tubigon, no. Then from Cebu, kasagaran daghan gyud ang moagi sa Tubigon. So these are all the property lines, no, the property included. Then when you arrive in Tubigon guys, you can see already the so many McDonald's, then there's so many improvements, no, again the banks. So wala na jud kay kuanon. If you're going to go somewhere in Panglao, or you can go just around 1 hour and 20 minutes siguro. Mo balik kag Cebu, mas nindot sa Tubigon ang gitawag og imuhang kanang point of origin when you arrive in Bohol. Man akong gihimo po guys, no. Tubigon is my point of origin before I go to the other towns of Bohol or even Tagbilaran City. Tubigon jud ko start. That is why Tubigon is very nice place. Sinso ng Tubigon. So this is already the second lot na no. Para man dito sa nagamay kanang may natumbang nga lubi. So that coconut trees is part already, no, the two that is already the boundary line. This one is not part here. So basta kini nga side guys, these are all part of the property. Kan likod nako silbi is already part of the property line. So balik-balik lang atong drone pero mao na gina siya. That is already the property kana makita na to. Indot kaya. So nearby sa dool dito guys, approximately di sa totally dool mga 500 meters away, here comes the dam. This dam or what we call man ang tawag og supply ni sa this is a supply of the rice field. So dire pag problema ang rice field guys, no, you have already a dam din. Pwede ka dire mag fishing, no, pwede ka mamasol dire lingaw-lingaw ba. So pwede ra suroyanan kita na to ng mga nanoroy. So it's like a park, no, where people having a picnic in the area. Now this is the center of Tubigon guys. Ato lang pakita, no, this is already the center of Tubigon. You can see the Duigsang and all quality din. I heard already before that there was the Isano Mall, but I don't know what's going on. Wala pa man mo baro, istorya pa man, pero najot nakapalit na yung si Gaisano dire duol ani, no, very close from this whole quality. So whole quality BQ superstore, so near to that superstore. So you can see Cebuana Lier, Palawan Pawn Shop. So a lot of businesses already in the area. So okay. Then we got the church. So nasa sentro ang church guys. No, nakita na itong series bus liner. So may problema transportation. By the way guys, going to the property now, back to the property. There are tricycle, no, there are also single motorcycle, what we call habal-habal, is the way of our transportation. So ano itong mga transportation. So diri the pit guys is already the banks, no, dagang bangko diri PBB. There is also Ross Pharmacy, BDO, Mitub Bank na diri katapok, no, bangko na po diya napita. First Consolidated Bank, yes guys, no. So daghan, no, ng bangko diri. Ang PNB tuwara dito sa Alturas itong paggawa sa series bitaw na series nato lang pong ibalik. So na hotel po diri. So this is the Alturas Mall, no? So nadya ang Mercury Drug, kita na to sa video na Mercury Drug. So this is McDonald's, this is already the terminal, no? Sentro. So nadya parking area of the bus, van, naglinya. They are waiting from the passengers of the ferry. So as you can see, there are big trucks, no? It escaped from the ferry already. Ngay dunggo na sigurong barko. So ano siya, guys? So tubigon kanang mao gini agianan sa mga dagko nga truck from Cebu. So that is the main port from Cebu going to Bohol. Usually Tubigon is the main port. So nakita na to ang mga dagko nga truck. You can see the big trucks that is came from Cebu City. So di ka na nagsakay na itong either light ferry or sa fast car. Dagko na nagkuhan. This is the main entrance, no, of the seaport. Welcome to the port of Tobigo. So from the property, atol itong overview, no, na Tobigo, mga commercial center. So from the property, we proceeded to Pangangan Island. Kaya itong ikuha itong ato ang gihatag nga relo o ang kuhan sunglass gihatag sa itong buyer sa una nakapalit. So going to the Pangangan Island ta. So we can see the kuhan, guys, side by side, no, kanang it's already the sea. Then so you can have your jogging here, no, nindot yung preskom kay hangin din, guys. You can also do swimming, no, pwede sa kamang langoy-langoy diya. It's a clean water, no, it's a clean water. So nindot, guys, no, from the property just around 15 kilometers up to here. Then if you want to enjoy the white sand beaches, nara po diya dapita. So very nice, no? So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Again, this is Mr. Inyo Mawas Katursa, your licensed real estate broker. Thank you.